फॅक्टरायझेशन ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल्स या टॉपिकमध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सॉल्व केले. अजूनही काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण पाहतोय. या फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज दॅट what must be subtracted from 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus x minus 5 so that the result is exactly divisible by 2x square plus x minus 1. आता हा जो प्रश्न विचारलाय तो अशा टाइपमध्ये आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण एक डिव्हिजन बघूया. इथं 36 ला जर 8 ने डिवाइड केलं तर रिमाइंडर काय राहतं? 4 राहतं. 8 4 जा 32. मग या 36 मधून किती सबट्रॅक्ट केले असता येणारा रिझल्ट म्हणजे येणारा नंबर हा 8 न कंप्लीटली डिव्हिजिबल असेल. पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो की 36 ला 8 न डिव्हिजन केलं असता असा कोणता नंबर आपण त्या 36 मधून सबट्रॅक्ट केला तर येणारा नंबर किंवा येणारा रिझल्ट हा 8 न काय असेल? कंप्लीटली डिव्हिजिबल असेल. तर त्याची साधी आणि सोपी पद्धत काय आहे? तर 8 न 36 ला डिवाइड करायचं. डिवाइड केल्यानंतर 8 4 जा 32 आले. 32 झाल्यानंतर काय आलं? रिमाइंडर 4 आलं. आता हेच 4 आपण काय केले? समजा 36 मधून डिवाइड केले, सबट्रॅक्ट केले तर किती येतात? 32 येतात. किती येतात? म्हणजे 36 मधून हे 4 सबट्रॅक्ट केले तर काय येतात? 32 येते. म्हणजे 32 हा 8 न काय आहे? परफेक्टली डिव्हिजिबल आहे. 8 4 जा 32. किंवा समजा आपण जर 30 घेतले, काय घेतले? 30 घेतले आणि 30 घेतल्यानंतर समजा त्याच्यामध्ये किती ऍड केले असता, किती ऍड केले असता येणारा रिझल्ट हा 8 न डिव्हिजिबल असेल. तर अशा पद्धतीचे म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं? तर दिलेल्या नंबरमधून किंवा दिलेल्या पॉलिनॉमियलमधून आपल्याला रिमाइंडर सबट्रॅक्ट केला असता किंवा रिमाइंडर ॲड केला असता येणारा रिझल्ट हा दिलेल्या दुसऱ्या एका पॉलिनॉमियलनं डिव्हिजिबल असू शकणार असतो. तर अशा टाईपचं हे एक्झाम्पल आहे. व्हॉट मस्ट बी सबट्रॅक्टेड फ्रॉम 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 6x square plus x minus 5 so that the result याच्यामधून काय सबट्रॅक्ट केलं पाहिजे? तर आपल्याला रिमाइंडर सबट्रॅक्ट केला पाहिजे. तर येणारा रिझल्ट हा काय असणार? एक्झॅक्टली डिव्हिजिबल बाय 2x square plus x minus 1. आता यामध्ये हे आहे px आणि हे आहे qx किंवा हे आहे डिवाइडंट आणि हा जो आहे तो डिवायझर. म्हणजेच आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? तर हे सोडवण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? सो राईट डाउन बाय डिव्हिजन अल्गोरिदम व्हेन px is equal to 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 6x square plus x minus 5 is divided by qx, that is 2x square plus x minus 1. Then the remainder is a linear expression. Since the division will be a expression which will be a linear, so let Rx means remainder is equal to ax plus b, but which remainder we don't know, so we have taken it ax plus b. B subtracted from px so that the result is perfectly or completely divisible by qx. So let the resultant polynomial will be fx is equal to px minus rx, and that is equal to px minus rx is ax plus b, so ax plus b. And now here px is 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus x minus 5 minus here ax plus b as it is. Here if we consider here minus sign, then while removing the bracket the signs of inner term will get changed, and therefore we get 4x square minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus x minus 5 minus ax. This plus ax will become minus x and plus b will become minus b, because minus sign is outside the bracket. And therefore here 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus x. Here xx terms are taken together, x minus x, then minus 5 and minus b. Now here from x and minus x minus ax we can take x as a common, and therefore fx is equal to 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus x into bracket here 1 minus a, because the coefficient of x is 1, and here if we take x as a common then we will get 1 minus a, 1 minus a minus 5 minus b. Now we know that qx means divisor is 2x square plus x minus 1, and which is a quadratic polynomial, and this quadratic polynomial can be factorized by splitting the middle term. So here 2 into minus 1 it will be minus 2, and the coefficient of middle term is 1, so plus 1, and we have to select the two numbers such that the multiplication of the two number is minus 2 and the subtraction is 1. So we got two numbers, that is 2 and 1. So plus 2 and minus 1, it will be 2 into minus 1 it will be minus 2, and 2 minus 1 it will be plus 1. So our qx can be factorized at x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. In this way we get the factors of the divisor, and therefore x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 are the factors of qx. If hence fx will be divisible by qx if x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 are factors of fx. Means by factor theorem, f of here plus 1 is there, so we have taken here minus 1, f of minus 1 is equal to 0, and here 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, so you can write 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 upon 2. Here f of 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now if we substitute minus 1 and 1 upon 2 in the given polynomial fx, so fx is equal to, I have written first 4x raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus x into 1 minus a minus 5 and minus b, and substituting minus 1 instead of x we will get 4 into minus 1 raised to 4 minus 2 into minus 1 cube minus 6 into minus 1 square plus x means minus 1 into 1 minus a as it is minus 5 and minus 5 b as it is, and its value is 0. So I have taken here 0, and if we solve the above equation, then we will get 4 plus 2 minus 6 minus 1 plus a minus 5 minus b, that is equal to 0. After subtraction and addition we will get here a minus b minus 6 is equal to 0, or it can be written as a minus b is equal to 6, and this is equation number 1. Now we will substitute x is equal to 1/2. X is equal to 1/2 in fx. So f of x means 1/2 is equal to 4 into 1/2 raised to 4 minus 2 into 1/2 cube minus 6 into 1/2 square plus 1 half into 1 minus a minus 5 minus b is equal to 0. Here 4 into 1 half raised to 4, it will be 1 upon 16 minus 2 into 1 half cube, it will be 1 upon 8. Then minus 6 into 1 half square, it will be 1 upon 4 plus 1 half into 1 is 1 half minus 1 half into a is a upon 2 minus 5 and minus b as it is. Here if we reduce 4 1 are 4, 4 4 are, we get here 1 upon 4. Then minus 2 1 are 2 and 4 are, again we will get here minus 1 upon 4. Here 1 upon 4 and minus 1 upon 4 will get cancelled. Minus here 2 3s are and 2 2s are, so we will get here minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 half minus 5 minus a upon 2 minus b is equal to 0. Here minus a upon 2 is taken here, then minus b minus here denominators are same, so we can subtract minus 3 and plus 1, it will be minus 2 upon 2. Minus 2 upon 2 means minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 5, it will be minus 6. So minus a upon 2 minus b minus 6 is equal to 0. And now we have to take minus 6 to the another side, so we will get minus a upon 2 minus b is equal to 6, and that is equal to here for the subtraction or addition we have to cross multiply. So minus a into 1, it will be minus a, minus b into 2, it will be minus 2b divided by 2 1s are 2. Here a minus 2b, this 2 is divided, it will multiply to 6, 6 to the 12. So minus a minus 2b equal to 12. Or if we take minus sign as a common, then it will be minus into bracket a plus 2b is equal to 12, and here minus sign can be taken to the 12. So a plus 2b is equal to minus 12, and this is equation number 2. And now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we will get here a plus 2b is equal to minus 12 and a minus b equal to 6. Since subtraction is there, we have to change the signs of the terms at below. So if a will become minus 6, minus b will become plus b, and minus plus 6 will become minus 6. Then we will get 3b is equal to minus 18, or b is equal to minus 18 upon 3, that is b is equal to minus 6. In this way we have find the value of b. Now put b is equal to 6 in our equation 1, that is equation 1 is a minus b equal to 6. Here a minus b equal to 6 implies a minus b is minus 6 is equal to 6. Here minus minus will get plus, so a plus 6 is equal to 6. This if we take plus 6 to another side, it will become minus, so a is equal to 6 minus 6, that is a is equal to 0. And now we have to find the remainder, that is rx is equal to ax plus b. A is a 0 into x minus 6, 0 into x it will be 0, and we will get only minus 6. So rx is equal to minus 6, and therefore px is divisible by qx if rx is equal to minus 6 is subtracted from it, Now second question, what must be added to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 so that the result is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. आता आपल्याला पुन्हा एकदा हा रिमाइंडर काय करावा लागेल, ॲड करावा लागेल. त्यासाठी आपल्याला पुन्हा रिमाइंडर कोणता तो काढायचा, आणि त्यासाठी पहिली मेथड म्हणजे पहिल्या ज्या एक्झाम्पल ज्या पद्धतीने सोडवलं त्याच पद्धतीने इथं या ठिकाणी आपल्याला रिमाइंडर शोधायचा आहे. सो लेट Tx is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1, and Qx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we have to find the remainder, that is Rx is equal to ax plus b. Here it is asked that what must be added. So let Rx is equal to ax plus b is added to Tx so that Tx plus Rx is divisible by Qx. And now let Fx is equal to Tx plus Rx. In the previous example it was Tx minus Rx, and in this example Tx plus Rx, because we have to add. And now Fx is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 plus Rx is ax plus b. Here again we have to take x and ax so that we can take x as a common. Here 1 is the coefficient, so we will write Fx is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus, here x can be taken as a common, x into bracket 1 plus a into bracket complete plus b and minus 1. Now Qx is x square plus 2x minus 3, which is a quadratic equation. Here it is again a quadratic equation. So by splitting the middle term we will get x minus 1 and x plus 3 factors of our Qx. And now Qx is divisible by x minus 1 and x plus 3, that is x minus 1 and x plus 3 are factors of Qx. Hence Fx will be divisible by Qx if x minus 1 and x plus 3 are factors of Fx. That is f of 1 is equal to 0, f of minus 3 is equal to 0, and therefore Fx is equal to, that is here we have find the Fx. Fx is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x into 1 plus a plus b minus 1. And now here it is given that minus 1 is there, so we should put here 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 4 plus 2 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 into 1 plus a plus b minus 1. After solving we will get 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus a plus b minus 1, and it will give a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0, because f of 1 is 0, and therefore a plus b is equal to plus 12 will become minus 1 to the another side, and this is our equation number 1. Now it is given that x plus 3 is there, so we have to substitute minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 raised to 4 plus 2 into minus 3 cube minus 2 into minus 3 square minus 3 into 1 plus a plus b minus 1. Here after solving we will get 81 minus 54 minus 18 minus 3 minus 3a plus b minus 1, and this gives minus 3a plus b plus 5 is equal to 0. If we take plus 5 to the another side, it will become minus 3a plus b is equal to minus 5, that is equation number 2. Here we have to subtract equation 1 and 2, so a plus b is equal to minus 1, equation 1, and minus 3a plus b is equal to minus 5, equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2, and now we have to subtract these equation, that is for if we subtract, then the signs will get changed. Minus 3a will become plus a, plus b will become minus b, and minus 5 will become plus 5. Here plus b and minus b will get cancelled, and then we will get 3a plus a, that is equal to 4a. Here plus 5 and minus 1, it will be 4. So 4a is equal to 4, or a is equal to 4 upon 4, or a is equal to 1. Now put a is equal to 1 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is a plus b is equal to minus 1, and the value of a is 1, so 1 plus b is equal to minus 1, and therefore b is equal to minus 1 minus 1, it will be minus 2, so b is equal to minus 2. Then therefore remainder Rx is equal to ax plus b, that is a is 1, so 1x minus b is 2 minus 2, so x minus 2, our remainder is x minus 2. Hence x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 will be divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3 if x minus 2 is added to it. In this way we have seen the two examples here.